Okay, so now that we're in my iPad, I'm going to go to the Alibaba.com app, and this is super useful. So if you have an iPhone or an Android, download this app. It makes the communication process a whole lot easier, and I will show you why. So you can do exactly what I just said, is search the product, and you search it, and then when you start finding the products, you basically favorite them, and then it goes to your favorite. So as you can see, this little heart right here, I hit favorite, and then it goes to my favorites. Once you have kind of a list of favorite products, I click right here as it says favorite products on the left hand corner. If you can see that right here, favorite products, you click right there, and then it comes up with the list of your products. You click on each one, and then you're going to hit down at the bottom right, you hit chat now. You're going to hit chat now, and you're going to send this. So you're going to hit send to this chat right there, and then you're going to copy and paste whatever message you are deciding to do. So if you are customizing your product, you copy and paste this into there, and then you hit send. So it's important to hit send chat and then to type your message right here, and then you hit send, okay? And then the manufacturer gets notified that you are interested in their product. So you're going to do that with all the products, and then once you find the best manufacturer, you're going to say, okay, can you create me an order form? And then once they create you an order form, it's going to look something like this. So it says send initial payment. So I'm going to hit send initial payment, and I'm going to pay for the product, and as soon as I pay for it, then they're going to prepare the shipment, and I'm going to request them to put the barcodes, the warning labels, and everything should go super smooth if you follow this template and each step listed on this PDF. So go and check, compare, and make sure you find the best manufacturer. Another thing that you can do when you are searching for products, as you can see right here, it has the minimum order, so 1,000, 100, and you can basically refine it, and you can have the minimum order be 500. So if you don't want to have to order more than 500 units, you're going to type in that in the category bar right here, and you're going to refine the search so that only products that are a lower minimum order of 500 show up, so that you can basically not have to order so many units. So those are some tips, tricks, techniques that you guys can apply when you are ordering your first product, and make sure that you don't just talk to one manufacturer. I know I've said that like 10 times, but that is the most important thing you can do, is be careful and check, double check, and compare prices and get the best price possible, okay? Another thing you guys can do is order a sample order. This is something that I would recommend if you are creating a brand or customizing the logo or package, just to see what it looks like. But if you are just ordering this product without doing anything else to it, it's probably okay to just order it straight up. I've never had problems doing it that way, and if you build a relationship with your manufacturer, you shouldn't have to test orders and waste your time sampling, because as soon as you sample an order, it takes 3 weeks, and then you get your product, and then they have to take it, and then it's a long 2-month process by the time you get your first order. So have those things in mind when you are making your first order, but please make sure that you hit each step, and if you do, you will not have any problems. So thanks for watching this video, and we will see you guys in the next one.